Hello, I'm Alyssa and we're going to walk through the process of making a simple mask. We will create two moving stars that are masked onto a background of different colored rectangles. First, we'll need something for the mask to reveal, so let's create our background colors. I'll start by drawing a rectangle. I'll then save the rectangle for later use by saving it to our project library. You can open your project library by using the Y shortcut key and then clicking on the Project Library tab found in the Inspector panel. Click on the plus symbol to save an object to the library. This will make it easier for us to drag and drop our background elements onto the canvas. We can change the fill color of each rectangle by clicking on the color thumbnail in the Inspector panel and then choosing a new color from the color picker. Our canvas is now covered in different colored rectangles. Each rectangle is on its own layer, and the mask will be applied to all of them. Now, let's create the shape that will become our mask. We can draw a star onto the canvas using the star tool found in the toolbar. To make a direct copy of our star, we can hold the Alt key while dragging it across the canvas. We can now animate both stars, one star from right to left and the second star from left to right. Then we'll group the stars together by selecting both their layers and using the shortcut Function plus F8 for Mac or Control plus F8 for PC. Now that our stars are grouped, they can become our mask layer by simply right-clicking on the new layer and selecting Mask from the context menu. You can see that the mask doesn't apply to all of our rectangle shapes right away. However, we can include additional layers to the mask by clicking and dragging the mask expander on the left edge of the layers panel until all of our rectangle layers are included. To understand what our mask layer is doing, imagine the star shapes as windows that only allow us to see the layers revealed directly beneath them. Now, when we watch our animation, you can only see the background colors revealed as the star shapes pass over them. Very cool.